Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customer who's using Android smartphone. I mean to say, if you have Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, Mi, any kind of Samsung Android smartphone, and if your phone is locked due to forgot pattern, pin or password lock. So if you want to visit service center to unlock your smartphone, then you may go, but the one more thing like to say you that if you go to the service center, your phone's all the data like photos, video and your important document will be deleted. But here I will show you how you can unlock your smartphone with the sitting at home without any data loss. I mean to say, if in your Android smartphone, whatever data you have can be saved with the help of this method, but you will have to watch this video till the end because the every step what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone, so don't skip a single step here. Okay, so before starting this method, firstly you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise in this method, if your phone gets switch off due to low battery, then your phone's all the data like photos, videos will be deleted. So before starting this method, charge your phone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger and plug it at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, so let's start this method. You can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. Okay, so here I will show you how you can bypass this pattern lock and unlock your smartphone. Okay, so firstly you will have to switch off your smartphone, and for this simply you will have to press the power button. But if you're using this method in Samsung Android smartphone, so for the power off, simply you will have to plug your data cable with your smartphone and you will have to press the power button and both the volume up and down button at the same time. Then after your phone will be power off. But except Samsung, all the Android phone will be switch off directly with the help of power button. Simply you will have to press the power button here like this. Press and simply switch to the power off option. Press here. Now when your phone's complete switch off, simply you will have to hold the power button and the volume up button to switch your phones to the hard reset mode. Okay, so press the power button and the volume up button at the same time here. Okay, now when you will press the power button and the volume up button, your phones will be switched to this page. You can see here you will get a two type of option, but here your phone's display won't work. I mean to say your touch won't work here. Simply you will have to use the volume up and down button to go up and down in the option. Okay, so you will have to go to the recovery mode option, and to select this recovery mode option you will have to press the power button here. Okay, now after this let's check what happens here. Now here you will get a three type of option. The first one is showing here install software, the second option is showing here clear data, and the third option is showing here check your system. Okay, so let's check what happened when you go with the install software. It's showing here phone memory network update software. So if you go with this option, you can see here you will have to connect your phone to the internet, but as I told you, this method is known as offline unlocking method, so simply you will have to go with the back option. Okay, now here you will get an option of a clear data. You can see here, simply you will have to click on this. You will get a two option here. The first one is showing here your clear cache, and the second option is showing here a clear all data. Okay, so if you go with the clear all data, your phone's all the important data like photo, video will be deleted. So here I will go with the option of clear cache. Clear cache means temporary type of data of your smartphone will be deleted. I mean to say your all the personal data won't delete here. Okay, simply you will have to select this clear cache option. Here it will ask you to confirm with the OK. Simply you will have to confirm with the OK option. Now just wait here. Now you can see here the clear cache has been done. Simply you will have to press the return option, go to the back option. Now here you will get two options. At the bottom is showing your shut down and restart. Simply you will have to shut down your smartphone, don't go with the restart. Okay, you will have to confirm with the shutdown. Now when your phone complete switch off, simply after that you will have to switch on your phone with the help of power button here. Now you will have to wait until it switch on here. Now you can see here the phone has been switched on. Now let's check here. Now you can see here still now the pattern log is showing here, so don't worry at all. You will get an option of emergency. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will go with this emergency option, your phone's dialing pad will be switched on here. Here you will have to use a special USSD code to bypass your all the FRPs here. Then the USSD code is star hash 812 and hash. After feeding this USSD code star hash 812 hash, you will have to call on this. You will get a pop-up call cannot connect, so don't worry at all. Simply go with the OK option, go with the back option. Okay. Now again you will have to use a second USSD code, that is most important. Again you will have to use your emergency option to open your dialing pad here. Now the second USSD code that I am going to give you, that is star hash 813 and hash. Now again you will have to click on this emergency, and again you will have to remove this pop-up with the OK. Now again you will have to go to the back. Now your all the setup has been done. Now after this, simply you will have to draw the pattern. As I think you don't have remember your pattern, so simply you will have to draw the patterns until you get this page. I mean to say you will have to get this page. The phone has been locked. Please try after 23 seconds. But here you will get an option of forget option. Simply you will have to click on this forget. Okay, just a minute. Now here you will have to feed that USSD code which you have dialed. The first USSD code was star hash 812 and the second USSD code was star hash 813 hash. You will have to feed both these USSD code here, that is star hash 812 and hash, and the second USSD code was star hash 813 and hash. After feeding these both USSD code, you will have to click on this verify. Now let's check what happened. When you click on this verify, you can see here your pattern lock has been removed. Now here it will show you a different type of lock to use new lock or pattern here. So if you want to use new pin pattern and password lock, you may use from this page. So right now I want to go with this any lock here. Simply I will click on this none option, and you can see here the smartphone is completely unlocked, and this is completely applicable for any Android smartphone. You can see here all the application which were in my smartphone as it is showing in my smartphone like this. You can see here Opera Mini and the games and other things. You can see here all the things has been already in my smartphone as it is. So this trick is very useful for those customers who don't want to lose their smartphone's data, and if they don't want to expense their money. So if your Android smartphone is locked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this method, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this method. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.